Hi, my dear students. How are you? Hope you are doing well. Okay, as on date we have we have learnt more about phonic words, writing of phonic words, numbers, alphabets, okay, number names, etc. So now today let's begin with the hop, skip and jump. Hop, skip and jump senior KG literacy skills. Okay, in this workbook we will learn according to your syllabus. Okay, will you start? Will you begin? So here in the workbook we have alphabet talk. Alpha talk. Alright, alpha stand for alphabet. Alright, alpha talk. Look at the picture, say the letter and write the object. For example, A for arrow. This falls on page number 7 of the same book. Page number 7 of the same book. Okay. Now, here are the pictures. So, we need to say like A for apple, right? Here is A for arrow, G for goat, D for dolphin, E for envelope, J for jug, K for key, C for candle, F for flame, B for balloon, H for hut, this is I for iron, L for lamp, M for moon. Okay, let me repeat. Clear? Let me repeat. A for arrow. This is the picture is here arrow. Here A is written. Okay, A for arrow, G for goat, D for dolphin, E for envelope, J for jug, K for key, C for candle, F for flame, B for balloon, H for hut, M for moon, I for iron, L for lamp. Okay, here are the pictures and we need to say its names. Here the same are mentioned here. Did you find these? Okay, here A for arrow, B for balloon, C for candle, D for dolphin, E for envelope, F for flame, G for goat, H for hut, I for iron, J for jug, K for key, L for lamp, M for moon. Here it is already given, but you try to find in the picture. Okay, if you are not understanding, if you are not following the picture, then you refer to these. Okay, this falls on the page number 7 of the same book. Okay, page number 7 of the same book. Okay, fine. Let's move on to the next page, page number 8 of the Alpha Talk. This is page number 8 of the Alpha Talk. Here is the picture. Here are the pictures. So let's begin. This is O for on, 1, P for pen, Y for yo-yo, S for sa, U for underwear, T for tortoise, W for whistle, Y for volcano, okay, Z for zigzag, this N for needle, this is Q for queen, X for Xmas tree, R for racket. Okay, got it? So shall I repeat the same thing? Okay, fine. This is P for pen, O for 1, Y for yo-yo, S for sa, U for underwear, T for tortoise, Z for zigzag, N for needle, Q for queen, X for Xmas tree, R for racket, W for whistle, Y for yo-yo. Okay, this is volcano, V for volcano. Sorry, this is V, not Y. This is V for volcano. Clear? So you have to make a revision of this first thing, then we'll move on to the next. So here in the same book on the page number 9 we have alphabet chart. What we have? Alphabet chart. So you are almost all familiar with the writing of capital letter and the small letter and even the phonic words. Then there is no difficulty at writing, I think. Okay, what you do is first trace the letter and then write it. Okay, what you have to do is you have to trace on the letter. This is tracing. This is tracing, and here writing. Okay, here writing the same alphabet. Clear? This is small letter A. This is small letter A. Writing of small letter A. A for apple, A for ant. Okay. Similarly, you have to complete the B for bus, B for ball, C for cap, C for cake, C for cat, D for drum, D for duck, E for elephant, E for egg. Then you have a F for fox and F for frog on the page number 9. I hope you all are familiar with writing the alphabets. Just focus and trace on the alphabet and try to complete the page number 9. Then page number 10. This is page number 10 and this is page number 11 and page number 12. Okay, I think it's very easy. You can follow it. I'm sure that you all guys will write this. Okay, you all guys will write this. Okay, up to Z. Up to Z, alphabet A to Z, you have this writing of alphabets. Okay, shall I move on? Okay, this is a homework for you people. Writing of capital letter and small letter according to its tracing on the alphabet and writing 2 times on the side by side. Okay, will you write? And you get familiar with the pictures also. For example, T for top, T for tiger, V for violin, V for van, etc. Okay, Z for zip, Z for zebra. Like this you will be getting familiar with its pictures too. Okay, will you write down? Will you write? I'm sure that you guys are going to complete this page number 9 to 12. Okay, just I have shown you the one example. You have to complete it up to Z for zip and Z for zebra. Okay, so let me continue with the next pages of the same book. Okay, after writing alphabet chart up to Z, okay, we have odd one out on the page number 13 of the same book. Odd one out. What do you mean by odd one out? For example, if we have the pictures. We have the pictures here. Bell, ant, apple. The alphabet here is A. Alphabet here is small a. It's capital A and a small a. And pictures are bell and apple. Clear? So circle the 2 pictures that begin with the same letter sound. What it is instructed here? Circle the 2 pictures. Circle the 2 pictures that begin with the same letter sound. Same letter sound means you need to circle 2 pictures. Out of 3 pictures, there you have to select the 2 pictures that begin with the same sound. For example, here is the A sound. Capital A, small a, right? A sound. Clear? So here, A for ant, A for apple. It's not for A for bell. It's wrong, right? It's an odd one. So we have to circle the picture which begin with the same sound, which refers to alphabet. Okay, here are A for ant, A for apple. Clear? Got it? So I will show you one more example of the next word. So odd one is bell. Odd one is bell. See, odd one out means this is out. This is odd one in this group. This picture, bell, is odd one when refers to alphabet A. A for ant, A for apple. Got it? So next, we have a next set of pictures. That's B. That's B. This is a capital B and this is a small b. Capital and small. Got it? Now we have a B for bat, B for bag, B for... No, it's R for rabbit. It's not B for. The alphabet sound is B. Okay? What it is indicate, what it is instructed here? The same letter sound. Is this comes from the same letter sound? No. Then this is the odd one out of this group of picture. Out of this group of picture. Now we need to say B for bat, B for bag, not B for rat. Clear? This is the odd one. What we have to do is we have to circle the same sound. Begin with the same sound. B for bat, B for bag. B for bag. Clear? So I will give you one more examples of the same. So here in this we have C. C. Alphabet C. Right? Here dog, cup, cap. In this set of pictures there are 3 pictures. Out of 2 pictures are given from the same sound. Begin with the same sound. Whether dog begins with a C sound? No. No. Right? The same way we have to circle the pictures and the word which begin with the same sound. So here in this set of pictures, this is the odd one. Means we need to circle the picture which begin with the sound of C. Clear? This is C for cup, C for cap. Got it? Then move on to next alphabet, that is D. Desk, ball, doll. Okay? Desk, D for desk, D for doll. Is this D for ball? No, right? No, right? Okay. When this is doesn't belong to the sound B, D, then this is the odd one. Then this is the odd one. Thus D for desk, D for doll. We need to circle these 2 pictures which begin with the sound D. Which begin with the sound D. Okay? Clear? Hope you understand. Hope you understood this concept of this odd one out. Okay? Then here is E for egg, E for engine. Correct? E for egg, E for engine. It's not E for nose. Right? This is the odd one from the given set of pictures. Which begin with the sound E. E for egg, E for engine. So which is the odd one? Nose. This is N for nose, not E for nose. Okay? Now we need to circle the E for egg and E for engine. Okay? Hope you have followed odd one out. It means odd one out. We need to look at the picture and identify the picture and try to spell the picture's name. This is A for ant, A-N-T, ant. A for apple, A-P-P-L-A, apple. Then A for, it's not like A for bell. It's wrong, right? This one is the odd in the given set of pictures. Okay? Followed? So I had explained to you this A, B, C, D and E sounds of alphabets. Next, you have to follow the page number 14, page number 15, page number 16, page number 17 of the same concept. Then we have a page number 18 and then we have a, so up to this page number 18 of the same concept. This is odd one out. Odd one out. This is a concept for odd one out. I had explained to you alphabet A, alphabet B, alphabet C, alphabet D and alphabet C. So, sorry, E. So these alphabets I had explained to you. Follow up to the page number 18. Clear? You have to do yourself so that it will help you for your better understanding. Right? I had explained to you here A. The sound, the picture sounds begin with A for ant, A for apple, B for bat, B for bag, not rat. Rat is the odd one among this set of pictures. C for cat. Sorry, C for cup and C for cap, not the dog. D for desk and D for doll, not the ball. Ball is the odd one from the given set of picture which belongs to the sound D. Then E for egg and E for engine, that sound belongs to alphabet E. Like that you have to complete up to Z. Means page number 14, 15, 16, 17 and 18. Hope you understood. Hope you followed. Okay. Just keep on doing this activity for the next week. For coming week, you have to finish out up to page number 18. The whole week. Okay. I'll give maths work also from this literacy skills book. Okay. From this literacy skills book, you have to follow up to page number 18. If you are not followed, you may text me on WhatsApp or you may call me anytime. If you are not followed, just refer to the page number and the concept. Then I will be in a position to explain you. Don't hesitate to ask and clear your doubts. Clear? So, this is all about your workbook, literacy skills workbook. This assignment for a week. Don't think that this has to be completed within 1 day or 2 days. Right? So, this assignment is for this coming whole week, Monday to Sunday. Next Monday, I'll give you next page numbers of worksheet. Clear? You have to follow this book. The book is this, Hop, Skip and Jump. Okay? Senior KG Literacy Skills. Okay? Hope guys you have understood, and simultaneously I will begin with the maths concepts. Okay? Simultaneously I will begin with the maths concept for the coming week. Clear? If you find any doubt, if you find any difficulty in solving this, just text me on WhatsApp or then just give me a call. After completion of this workbook, you need to take a photograph or you need to visit to the next Monday along with the workbook and for the corrections. Okay? Get it corrected. Fine? If you find any difficulty in solving these, just give me a call. Okay? From the morning 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. Clear? 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. You may call me anytime. Clear? Thank you so much.